Hello and welcome to French Lessons with Aunt Christine. So, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's have fun as we learn French. On y va! Okay, so today we're going to learn interrogative pronouns in French. Répétez après moi les pronoms interrogatifs. Les pronoms interrogatifs. On y va. Quel. Quel. So quel can mean which or what, right? And quel occurs in number and in gender. That means it's the gender of the noun that determines the quel you will use. The first quel with one L is masculine, while the other quel is feminine. Okay? So for example, we have quel jour sommes-nous? What day are we? Quel jour sommes-nous? Jour is masculine. So you can see that's why we're using that quel. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day are we? Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Date is feminine. Okay? So that's why we're using the feminine quel. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Quel. Quel. Quand. Répétez. Quand. Quand. When. Quand. When. Quand pars-tu? Quand pars-tu? When are you leaving? Quand. When. It's not condo, it's quand. Comment? I'm sure we all know this. Comment? Comment ça va? Comment va-t-il? Alright? Comment. So comment means how. Comment ça va? How are you? Comment va-t-il? How is he? Comment? How. Pourquoi? Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi pleures-tu? Pourquoi pleures-tu? Why are you crying? Pourquoi? Pourquoi? Why? Combien? Répétez. Combien? Combien? Combien can mean how many or how much, depending on the context it's used, okay? Combien sont-ils? Combien sont-ils? How many are they? Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte or ça coûte combien? That means how much, alright? How much is it? Combien sont-ils? How many are they? Combien ça coûte? How much is this? D'accord? Où? Où? Where? Où vas-tu? Where are you going to? Où habites-tu? Where do you live? Où? Where? Qui? Qui? Qui est là? So qui means who. Qui est là? Who is there? Qui? Who? Merci beaucoup. So I hope you had fun learning interrogative pronouns in French. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you. Au revoir et à la prochaine. Bisous, bisous.